Hey guys, I wanted to do a no brand get ready with me today. I really wanted to do this sort of video because I feel like especially nowadays we are just so only focused on and hyped on an actual brand instead of the product itself. I think it would be super fun and refreshing, honestly, to do a no brand makeup tutorial. You can just really focus on the beauty of the product itself without worrying about all the other brand junk behind it. Like I said, it is a get ready with me, so here's my agenda. I did write it out. I feel like I need to actually get an agenda book. I think that would help me out a ton. I just feel like when I write down what I want my day to consist of, I stick to it better because I have a goal. It's like a mini goal board for that day. So I just wrote down some of my errands I need/want to run, and then I just have like my everyday things going on down here. I did already put on moisturizer. I'm gonna use a primer right now. If you see a product that I use and you actually really want to know what it is so you can try it out yourself, I will let you know. Like if you ask me what primer or foundation or whatever I used, of course I'll let you know. I won't be like, shh, it's a secret. No, I'll let you know. But for the sake and fun of the video, I'm just gonna apply makeup without really talking about the product because I don't want to give it away. Oh, I forgot. See, like I'm about to talk about the primer. Like I don't know if that'll give it away. Basically, I am very pleased with its performance and I forgot how great it actually was. There you go, that's all I'm gonna say about the primer. I'll use this tiny little buffer brush. This is one of my favorite brushes for like everything. I use it for everything, to apply everything. Say everything one more time, Mary. There we go. We have the product on our brush. This is gonna be a tad light for me, I think. Might be. You know, I think we'll be okay. Betting on it oxidizing a bit, which I think is pretty natural for almost every foundation I use. So, also I did do my brows already. That's why they looking really kind of bold. So I know we have already heard this from probably several other people, but I still kind of want to talk about it and rant about it. You know, makeup has certainly evolved, definitely. It's definitely more popular. I think a lot more people wear it than they used to. There's a lot more different types of products now. Like, what was a brow gel even 5 years ago? When a new product, a new company came out, at first it was like, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. But now there is just so many options, so many different companies, so many different types of brands that it's just honestly so overwhelming. I've touched on this a little bit in I think my last Get Ready With Me, but like, why are celebrities feeling the need to come out with their own makeup brand? Let people be entrepreneurs and really come out with the things they love. That's my take on it. I feel like celebrities, it's just another way, like, I'm sure makeup is a passion of theirs, but I think it's just another way to get a commission and money. It's just so many brands now that it's just really, it's taking over the world. It's really overwhelming. Let's talk about ABH, okay? Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Why would you come out with a collaboration palette and then come out with your own palette like a week later? If I was a person, Jackie Aina, if I was her, I'd be like, I'm sorry, what? Like, you couldn't let my product breathe. You couldn't let people get excited, swatch, buy my product first before you came out with your own. I just thought that was kind of messed up. I honestly think these brands are pressured to just pop out products. ColourPop they've been doing great this summer, you know, with their monochromatic palettes. They've been a huge hit this summer. It was a great idea to do, and I think other companies are like, crap, we need to step up the game. It's just so hard to keep up with. There's so many products coming out. I need all the companies to just stop, slow down, maybe release a really good, thoughtful product, maybe 4 times a year. I feel like that's a pretty good amount. You don't need to come out with a new product every month. That is just so unnecessary. Like, ABH, you are doing way, way too much. First you did the eye primer, the eyeliner, the foundation, and now 2 palettes within like 3 months. Holy crap, holy. The average consumer does not have the money to just be spending $100 on makeup a week. It's not logical. For a small beauty YouTuber like myself, it's really hard to get in the game and to be noticed because a lot of people look up reviews on new products coming out, and there's just so many new products coming out. It's not possible for me because I am paying it on my own hard-earned money. Okay, it's not, I don't receive PR. It's really not possible for me to review so many new products, and the people who do and can afford to review all of these new products coming out, they're the ones that are getting noticed by more people. They're the ones getting more views, more subscribers, growing their beauty community. It's so hard to grow when you're so small. So far, y'all are just so sweet, and so honestly, I'm grateful for where I am at. You know, I don't need to compare myself to other channels, which I started doing when I first started because it's so easy to get caught up in the numbers in it. It's so easy to say, oh, I'm not gaining 50 subscribers a month. That means I must be doing something wrong. Or maybe I'm not entertaining enough. Or, you know, your mind goes into a dark place, and that's when I just need to be like, no, stop. You are doing your best. Okay, you are just being true to yourself. I'm not trying to have a fake, overly bubbly, confident personality on camera and be my true self in like, no, I'm not trying to do that just to gain subscribers and all that. That's when I just need to stop myself and be like, look, other people may be thriving and that's awesome. I'm just doing me. I'm sticking true to myself. I'm doing my best, and that's all that matters. My favorite time of the day, besides FaceTiming Daniel, is bronzer. I'm not even joking. Different activities or different moods or whatever that brings you, what is it called? Is it dopamine or serotonin? No, dopamine I think makes you chill, right? So serotonin I think is the hormone or whatever that like releases whenever you do like something you love and it makes you happy. That's me with bronzer. Like I apply bronzer, and even if I'm in a crabby mood, I just feel so much better. Shout out to my best friend Kristen. I'm wearing your dress you gave me like 2 years ago. It still fits great. Thank you so much. My face just looks straight up like porcelain, which I don't know like if I like or not. Right now, not, because it's like too full coverage, which is weird, because I will say, this is the only thing I'll say about the foundation, is that it's not a full coverage foundation. At least it doesn't claim to be. But yet here we are. I can't believe I used to be a hater on blush. I was just really scared to use blush because growing up, I was just really naturally red all the time for no reason. Because I didn't do the whole process of what I do now. You know, I didn't do foundation, set it with powder. Like I just did foundation on my fingertips. That's what I did. Maybe I should do like how I did my makeup in high school, but it would be so boring because it would be like 2 things. So never mind, I'm not gonna do that. I knew like even if I did put foundation on my face, that it would eventually, you know, start to wear off, and I'm like, why would I purposely put pink or red stuff on my face when I'm already naturally red? So I never put on blush for the longest time. Wow, I really just look so full coverage right now. I really don't know how I feel. I haven't been like this full coverage in a hot minute. Like you can't see anything. I really don't know. I really don't know if I like it. Let's move on to eyes. What the heck do I do for my eyes? I didn't really think this far ahead. I don't really know what to do for the eyeshadow, but for some reason I know I just want to put blue in my lower waterline, so I'm just gonna do that first, I guess. I almost said the dang brand. It's out of habit, you guys. It's out of habit. Ooh, what are you on? Why are you sparkly? You're not supposed to be sparkly. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. I cannot wait to do a shopping spree from Target. I miss Target. I just haven't gone in so long because Target's not the cheapest place. It's not. A lot of their things are pretty pricey. So whenever I go in there, I want to buy at least like 10 to 15 things, but that's like $300. I can't do that. My mother-in-law told me something that really put it in perspective for me. She said, look around you, like look around your home. Every single thing you see is money spent. And so I've been doing that, and I'm like, holy crap. When you say it that way, that's a lot of money, and sometimes wasted money. You know, even when you try to sell something, you're never gonna get as much back as when you bought it. Because for most items, value depreciates unless it's like maybe a house or something. Which is why I will never, ever buy a brand new car off a car lot. Once you drive off that car off the lot, you instantly, I feel like, lose $10,000. I will never do it. All right, we have that pop of blue in there. I knew I want to do that. I want to incorporate some yellow today. I might just do an all yellow look. I feel like I've done this look. I have done this look before on like a mini Instagram video. I'm just really feeling yellow though. I'm gonna do it. I was at the gym. I just go to Planet Fitness because, I mean, it's cheap and it has really all the equipment I could possibly need. I was on the treadmill. The treadmills are behind the ellipticals. There was this guy in front of me on an elliptical. When I see people like really exerting themselves on a machine, I'm like, you know what? You go. You get those leg muscles. You know, I try not to judge because I know I don't look the prettiest or most attractive doing my workout. It's kind of like a vulnerable side of you, right? I don't know, it's weird. Like you're showing your vulnerability to get strong. Oh, that's deep. So the guy in front of me on the elliptical was going ham. You know, like the arm thing. He was just going at it. He was just going so fast. A part of me, I'm like, yeah, you go, Glen Coco. Like I'm on the treadmill, I'm like, yeah. Just cheering him on in my head. It just makes me happy. But then at the same time, that meme was going out, like, do you blow on your food or you just kind of like in your mouth until it cools down? You know, so for some reason, when I saw this guy just like going ham on the elliptical, every time, like while he was like doing his thing in my mind, like I was doing that sound like in my mind, it was just, I just started laughing on the treadmill. I don't know why I correlated that sound with his movements, but I did. When I'm on an elliptical, I've had my moments where I go fast or where I feel like really fast. I have never ever seen someone go so fast and quick on an elliptical in my life. Bless me. I mean, excuse me. What do you say for a hiccup? Oh, dang, this is gorgeous. I love this. On my agenda, you might have seen Dollar Tree on there. Daniel loves to collect seashells on the beach here just because there's so many and they're actually holes and not itty bitty bits. So he gets so excited that there's so many here. It's really cute. So I really want to go to Dollar Store and get some like plastic plates and candle holders, some netting. I really want to make a sandy beach display in his bathroom because that's the vibe of our bathroom already. My married last name is Waylon, and so a lot of people call him like the whale man or stuff like that. We already have like beachy decor in the bathroom. It says whalecome, like whale, and then C-O-M-E, like welcome, but it's whalecome with a whale on it. And then we have another whale decor one that says I whale always love you. We have a seahorse one that says seize the day, but like S-E-A-S. So I really want to get some crafting supplies and make him like a seashell little beach display because I just think that would be so cute. I ended up just doing a really thin line of black eyeliner over my lash line because I do want to wear falsies today. So far, I really like doing this video. I'd rather just focus on the product itself than the brand, you know? Like, I think it's fun. If you guys like it, let me know, give it a like. If you don't like it, also give it a dislike. I want to know that as well too. One bad thing about pencil lip liners is that the majority of the time when I'm sharpening them, the bit just falls off. It wastes so much of the product. You gotta keep sharpening it. I'd rather just have a retractable lip liner. Are you bloody serious? I've been sharpening this for like 45 seconds. Oh my gosh. It just keeps falling off. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm just gonna use this light pink lip liner now. I apply lipsticks, like any lip product, with my finger now. It just looks so much better when you do it that way. And it just feels much lighter on the lips, because instead of using the wand multiple times trying to really cover all your lips, you just dab on the product that you really only want on your lips and you use your finger to spread out only that amount of product. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I did. I want to film a lot more of these. I enjoyed it. I hope you did. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the bell if you want to be notified every time that I upload. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.